In this video, we will demonstrate how to install Estate Privacy Pocket Door with 4 different trim options. Make sure your door is prepped with a provided template. These are the components included in the kit. Install the mortise box using the 2 screws. Install the lower mounting plate using the 2 shorter screws that are supplied. Install the upper bracket using the longer screws. Install the mounting plates on the opposite side of the door using the same procedure. Cut both spindles so they go 1/3 of the way through the lock. The groove at the bottom of the trim plate sits on the edge of the bottom mounting plate. Ensure the emergency turn piece is vertical. Slide the trim plate down over the lower mounting bracket and tilt the trim forward to engage the spindle into the lock. Tighten the set screws that are pre-installed in the trim plate. Turn the turn piece to a vertical position. Slide the trim plate down over the lower mounting bracket and tilt the trim forward to engage the spindle into the lock. Tighten the set screws that are pre-installed in the trim plate. Install faceplate at this time. Test all the operations of your door. Your Estate Privacy Pocket Door is now installed.